Hello, everyone. I'm Lisa, and I'm really happy you're here today. If you're a beginner learning English, I want you to relax, smile, and take a deep breath. You're in the right place. Learning English doesn't have to be scary, stressful, or complicated. It can be simple, fun, and even enjoyable if you start the right way. First, I want you to remember one important thing. You don't need to be perfect to start learning English. Many beginners feel shy because they are afraid of making mistakes, but mistakes are not a problem. They are part of learning. Every time you make a mistake, you are actually getting closer to speaking English better. So please be kind to yourself and enjoy the process. When you begin learning English, start with simple words and everyday phrases. These are the words you can use every day, like greetings, numbers, food, family, and daily activities. Don't try to learn too many words at once. A few words a day is more than enough. Slow learning is strong learning. When you repeat words many times, they stay in your memory longer. Listening is one of the best ways for beginners to learn English. Try to listen to English every day, even if you don't understand everything. Listen to short videos, simple podcasts, or slow English lessons. At first, just listen and enjoy the sound. Your brain is learning quietly, even when you think you don't understand. Speaking English may feel difficult at the beginning, but don't wait until you feel ready. You become ready by speaking. Start by speaking alone. Talk to yourself about simple things. For example, you can say, "Today is Monday. I am at home. I am learning English." These small sentences help you feel more confident step by step. Pronunciation is also important, but don't worry too much. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. You just need to speak clearly and confidently. Listen carefully and repeat after the speaker. This is called listen and repeat, and it works very well for beginners. Practice a little every day, and you will hear improvement. Another great tip for beginners is to use English in your daily life. Label things in your house with English words. Think in English when you walk, cook, or relax. For example, when you make tea, say the steps in English in your head. This makes English part of your life, not just a subject. Reading simple English is also very helpful. Start with short texts, children's stories, or easy articles. Don't look up every word. Try to understand the main idea first. Reading helps you learn sentence structure and new vocabulary naturally. Most importantly, make English a habit, not a stress. You don't need to study for hours. 10 or 15 minutes every day is perfect. Consistency is more important than speed. Little steps every day will bring big results over time. Finally, I want to encourage you. Learning English is a journey, and every journey starts with a small step. You are doing something great for yourself. Be patient, be positive, and keep going. I'll be here with you, supporting you and cheering you on. You can do this. English is not too hard. You are stronger than you think. Let's learn English together, one easy step at a time.